Good morning, guys. My look rough. Anyways, good morning, guys. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Sharkies. I don't always look this crazy. Well, lie, I always look this crazy. Anyways, if you're new, I'm Sharkies. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. It's always real over here. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you're interested. If you're returning, then welcome back. So today is Monday. Today's mommy's birthday, so we're going out on a little trip. We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket trip. Swimming through. All right, so just finished breakfast. Well, we just finished cooked breakfast. I'm gonna eat it. We're gonna eat now. Last night I looked my clothes, so we bought this romper thing from like a long time ago. I'm just showing it. Ooh, wrong window. Alright, so we bought a little romper something, right? A little romper thing here long time, you know. And we bought like a triplet things. I have the yellow, mommy and Shanika have like the red. We never wear it, so Shanika says she want to wear it today. I don't know if mommy want to wear it for her, but me and Shanika will wear it for it today. And then my swimsuit. I think I've shown you guys the swimsuit before, the top actually. So this is the top of the Shein one that I bought. The long sleeve one, yeah, I'll be a long sleeve my wear for that summer because I get no more burn. So yes, this is it. And then I change out the bottoms to this thing here. I've had this quite a while, but the bottom for this, the top for this, I gave away because I don't like how it fit me. So this, and then for cover up, I've got my lovely mesh thing. So yeah, so that's for bath suit. And then to wear come back, I chose this pants here. I've shown you guys this, but I wore it with a white blouse the last time. So yeah, what do you call them, a cargo pants, I'm not too sure. And then this black blouse. Yeah, so that's the fit. And all of these outfits I wear with my black Crocs, my lovely dovey black Crocs. All right, so yeah, that's about it. And then just jewelry and accessorizing. But yeah, I go make up my bed, have breakfast, get ready, and then I'll see you guys, you know. So yes, come along with me. Alright guys, so came to Kelly's. Good thing that it comes to me kind of get a drive. Came to Kelly's to pick up the packages you guys saw. So yes, now we're going to head back home, pick up Shana mom, and then head. We now work at beach, so that's why I'm in at this and not the romper thing. Them decided that them now but I go beach, so we're just gonna chill for the day, drive out, chill, sightseeing, whatever. Hopefully a Starbucks visit, hopefully a Debanos, hopefully KFC. I don't know what exactly. We just a treat mommy today. So yeah, later on I'll unbox and like let you guys know what's in my bag. One of the bags is for Shan, one is for me. But the thing is, most of the things that we bought was for mommy. So I have like 3 things in this box. So I know not much for unbox. Alright. Alright, so her gifts are here. I did also get, alright, so this is, I'm gonna show you guys what I got in mine. So this mesh shirt, it's a swimsuit cover for my pink and white bath suit that I bought on Shein as well. I bought this travel kit thing. Yeah, I also bought 5 of these perfume things and I took out one to try and it works, so happy for that. And also a set of 4 of these travel things. These are all travel things because when I was going to the hotel the other day I wanted to downsize all of my things and I couldn't find anything, so that's why I bought these. So we're at Island Village. Let's see if we can find something to do. Probably a movie. Don't know.
Hi. I'm Sassy Shan.
Yeah, I think they know that already.
I'm very sassy.
Very. The birthday girl left back away. I don't know. Go and ask. Oh. Should we just go in and ask? Or...
Pretty. Pretty.
Is that an animal I saw? Yeah, I wonder if I want animal. Which one animal I want to stick? Yeah, it looked like one nice river kind of water. Shani, realize we never come around that side here, right? Huh? We never come around that side here. What? We have never come around this side. No, because all of the fun always running, so that's why we never go to pick up the come. Oh, yes, I wrote this. Yes, miss. I think. I don't know. Must be. I don't know. This looks like the front, doesn't it? No. Anyways, so one picture spot here. Mommy, I can't take a picture. So. Yeah, I'll take a picture of us. Alright, so it seems like the place is locked. So, we're... What the hell? So here. And it would be a nice, it's a cute picture spot and whatever. Don't you are cute? Where? Is nice. So we can do rafting, but where? Let me not go over there. How do I prefer? He's gonna look. Come on. Alright guys, so that's the tour of the island village. Me attack like me actually can't go far.
Yeah, the tour guide.
Huh? What is the name of it? If I can... thinking of trying that drink there. I don't know. Iceberry matcha. But I never drink matcha yet. So I don't know. I don't know because. Trying to grab a juice and so caramel with oat milk because we can't drink it. Alright, so we just got the Starbucks. I was telling you guys that I got caramel frap. Yeah, caramel frap. Mommy don't want no Starbucks, so we're gonna get her the bananas. And I got this with oat milk, not real milk. Yeah. Ice cream. Just anything, just buy ice cream.
The one that Miles Chase likes. I don't know.
She be enjoying her ice cream. I mean, Devon out.
Fancy's ice cream, so we gotta start.
Yes.
She took it.
That better walk along me. Ask me if you walk a long way. Hmm? Oh, Rita. Woo! The cats on Nenga Beach. Sprinklers are wetting up. Ooh, the skies though, guys. Kind of fresh, but it's nice. Oh gosh, guys, we're finally home. I am so tired. It was a nice day. I don't think I've ever done something like this where we just would go somewhere without even a plan, because originally we said that we planned to go to like the beach, and then we say no matter, and like we really did not have any plans to really like do anything. So the Tutti Frutti was impromptu. KFC had just lunch, and then take a drive out to Sharkies to get dinner. When I eat dinner, it's my belly full. And then we went back to Starbucks and she got ice cream. So yeah, it was really an impromptu thing and I liked it. It was nice. So yeah, I'm tired. Oh gosh, I'm tired. Anyways, I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog. I am super tired. My belly's still full, so I don't think I'm gonna eat my dinner. I think I'm gonna just leave that for tomorrow for probably lunch. Oh, sorry. I think I'm gonna leave that for probably tomorrow, like lunch or something, because I'm not hungry. No, in a sense, make before I sit down, because it doesn't make any sense. Oh, I ended up getting shrimp and mashed potatoes. Yeah, so that's I got with me lunch or dinner for tomorrow. And from Starbucks, I think I was telling you guys that I got a caramel frap with oat milk. I got oat milk because I'm not supposed to eat dairy, yet still I bought cheese Danish. But I'm supposed to eat cheese, but I'm supposed to eat nothing dairy. But the Danishes are the best. The cheese Danish is like the best thing ever at Starbucks. I forget one. So I got one. So well, I got two. I had one is for tomorrow. So yeah, So yes guys, see you. Hey. Alright, we need to stop eat there or something. I agree with this one. And if I tablet. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. If you guys did not see my shorts, I started doing short videos the other day. Oh, this is heavy. Ugh. This is so hard. So I started doing some short videos. I tried to do one, and I did one, and I liked it, and I did a second one, and I loved it. So I tried to do a short today. So if you have not seen any of my shorts, you know, go back on my channel somewhere in the shorts area and find my shorts, watch them, like them, comment as well. So yeah. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.